If you're looking to generate client reports with SuiteDash, you're in the right place. This quick explainer will walk you through the steps you need to follow to streamline your reporting process and save you time. Stay tuned till the end for an exclusive offer, plus some top alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. Let's dive straight into it. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your SuiteDash account and head to the Client Reports section. You'll find this in the navigation menu on the left side. Once there, you can either create a new report or select an existing one to modify. Next thing, when creating a new report, SuiteDash makes it easy to select the data you want to include. This can range from financial reports to task completion statuses, making it customizable based on your client's needs. You'll see options to filter by date ranges, project types, and client information. SuiteDash tries to simplify this, but it's not always as intuitive as some users would like, especially if you're managing large amounts of data. So, expect to spend a little time getting familiar with the filters and settings. Now, once you've got your report set up, you can choose to send it directly to your clients by email or export it as a PDF or Excel file. This is where things get a bit tricky. SuiteDash offers a lot of flexibility, but exporting reports could be a bit clunky, and it's easy to overlook certain export settings that might affect how the final report looks. It's important to double-check everything before hitting send. The fourth thing to note is that SuiteDash allows for automated report generation, so you don't have to manually create reports each time. You can schedule regular reports, which is perfect for keeping your clients up to date without putting in the extra effort. However, the automation options are pretty basic compared to some competitors, so if you're looking for more advanced scheduling features, you might find SuiteDash lacking. Next up, SuiteDash does offer some customization options for your client reports, like adding your logo, adjusting the color scheme, and even editing the layout. This is a great touch for branding, but the customization options can be somewhat limited, especially if you're looking for something more unique or fully branded. This could be a deal breaker if you're in a competitive space where presentation matters. Now, if you find SuiteDash too complex or you feel it doesn't meet your specific reporting needs, don't worry. We've got some great alternatives coming up that might be a better fit. Stick with us for just a moment longer, and you'll learn about these solutions, including ones with a more user-friendly interface or better features for client reporting. But before we get to that, I want to remind you that through our link, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial of SuiteDash. This will give you time to fully explore everything it has to offer with no rush. And in the next section, we'll go over some amazing alternatives that might actually serve your reporting goals even better, each with a free trial as well. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate those reports and make sure you're using the best tool for the job. Let's get into those alternatives now.